I was starting to recognize that there's really a huge problem with animals being dumped at our shelters and dumped at our rescues. And I just got tired of sitting back and watching. And so I wanted to be part of the solution. My name is Janelle Howard, and I am a dog rescue volunteer. So when I moved to Durham, started Googling rescues, and that was how I found Charlie's. And Charlie's does focus on the pit bull type breed dog. They focus on dogs that have had either behavioral issues or some dogs that have bite histories and some dogs that have health issues. I help the dogs to become more socialized. When I walk them, it's not just walking, it's also teaching them to walk properly, teaching them to take a treat properly, teaching them not to jump on strangers. And all those things make the dog more adoptable. Another thing I did recently was I had, by chance, found a homeless family that was living in the woods with their 11 dogs. And it was a difficult situation, but I did make friends with them, and I was able to help them with dog food. And I was also able to locate a local nonprofit that provided free vet care to people who can't afford it. Charlie's has only been open since September of 2020. And in that time, we have saved 525 dogs' lives. And seeing these dogs, overcome their past and blossom and thrive in a loving home, that definitely motivates me to keep going back. And it's why I have been doing it for so long, and I absolutely love it. My advice on volunteering, and this is something I firmly believe in, if we can, then we must. Donating money is wonderful, but to get in and get your hands dirty and really be working with people or working with animals, whatever it is, just gives you that feeling of being part of a solution.